Woke up this morning and it is a pure winter wonderland outside. I mean, you can see here behind me, all the vehicles are covered, it's snowing still and everything like that. It is amazing. So even though that the Bronco is only 2-wheel drive right now, the front axle is freaking toast in it. We're gonna see if we can go have a little bit of fun in it, driving up and down the road and street here. I'm a little bit nervous about doing it because we do have some hills. I really don't want to get stuck and having to come yank her out, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot and see what we can do and have a good time. Looks like we got to go get the jumper box. Not super happy. Oh well.
But I guess that's not the answer. It's gotta be something
Well,
where...
it shows that it's almost dead. We just charged it. Well, I guess we used the truck and we're gonna try to jump it with that. Well, this just became a pain in the butt. Well, I'll turn around the F-250 and we'll get out the jumper cables and jump it that way. But that box there, I tried jumping one of the trucks yesterday. And I guess I used up all the power. I only tried jumping it a couple times. I wonder if that box is failing already. I've barely used it, so we'll have to see. All right, try not to tear up the snow too much, because that's for the Bronco. Whoa! You guys, you've been hanging out in here the whole time. You're getting my folder here all nasty, Diesel. Nope. Ah! He's got a bunch of snow on me. All right. Wait to start. There we go. Good enough. We got check engine light on there, guys. Puppers. Check engine light's on. What'd you do, Diesel? Did you turn up the tune? Probably. Uh-oh. Traction control, we're slipping. We're slipping. Nose into the Bronco here. Okay. All right, watch out. Move, Nova. Pull the back seat down. Get the jumper cables. All right. Got the tow strap back there as well. We need. Set you guys up so you can see here. out so much. It's gonna take a little bit to get warmed up. We got somewhere between a 1/4 and a 1/2 tank. Here. That should at least get us down to the end of the road.
Oh my.
Yeah, she's not running very good at all. She's running real rough. And so it's kind of a good thing with you guys voting on what vehicle you want to go back into the shop, and that being the Bronco. So I got the wheels in for the stem check. We're gonna throw that on it in the next video, see how she looks, and then the Bronco's just gonna come to the shop. We're gonna do our full teardown. I mean, I'll be able to start disassembling it before the lift gets in. I'll keep a rolling chassis, that way we can roll it out for when the lift gets here and stuff like that, but shoot. I'm gonna have to keep it probably a running chassis, because I gotta have to bring everything else in. We'll figure that out. I'm not worried about it. Anyways, it's a beautiful day out here. We're gonna go enjoy the rest of it, you guys, but you have an outstanding one. Get in there working on your side projects. We'll talk to you later.
Peace.